Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can like copy paste yourself on CapCut PC, like how you can make a twin of yourself. Select your video and I'm just going to copy and paste it, remove background, and select auto removal, and I'm just going to mirror it. You can also retouch it a little bit just to make it so it's not super identical, because I know twins aren't sometimes identical. Let's start with the makeup actually. I don't think there's going to be much different because she has her eyes closed, but you're just going to adjust it like that. Maybe you can adjust the features slightly, maybe like the distance of the eyes. Okay, I'll make it like this, and then like you can adjust it however you like, obviously, just to make it so it's not super similar, like that or something. It's totally up to you. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.